Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I am good. What about you, Kado? Frank?
Oh, well, I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking. And I'm happy
Yes,
that you're doing good also.
yes. And I think we have to already meeting first time.
So, is this the first time we spoke, or have we spoke before?
Yes. We have to before is also spoke, and I think it's I don't know which is the month going on, but yes, we have to spoke already.
Yes, I think you are in the agriculture. You were at the farm when I spoke to you last time.
Yes.
Nice. And how's everything going? Are you really busy?
Yes. I really busy because I teach chemistry subject in the school. That's why it's very busy schedule is also. But whenever I get a free time, I'm to speaking to conversations with people like you.
Nice. Very nice. Well, I'm happy to see you again. And you are in India.
Yes.
Wonderful. Where in India do you live? Are you in South India?
No. I am the western part of the Maharashtra state and Ahmednagar district.
Wow, very nice. Well, that sounds like a nice area.
Yes. And please
Right.
me, I know for the you to Cato Frank that I think you from that America.
Yes, that's correct. I am from Hawaii. Do you know Hawaii?
Yes.
Yeah, Hawaii is a nice place for vacation and holiday, but
Yes.
Hawaii is
It's
very expensive. It's a high price.
and please Cato Frank. That's because the I'm to first we have to meeting that time I'm to, didn't speak very well to English, but I think it's improving a lot in the intermediate between.
Good, good. Well, I'm happy that you're making improvements and working on your English. And how long have you been here on this Cambly app?
Just I am 2 to 3 months using of this Cambly app, and whenever I get a free time, I'm to joining in here.
Wonderful. And everyone likes Cambly. I think it's a very good app.
Hmm. And please tell me about for Cato Frank that how to your teachings to starting on Cambly. This is the enjoy living.
Right. Well, there's a lot of different things that people like to do on Cambly. Some
Hmm.
people like to do conversation and free talk practice, and that's very important. Practice makes perfect.
Hmm.
But a lot of people don't know that there's lots of lesson plans available to you on Cambly, and the lesson plans are also very nice. They always teach us new vocabulary, they have a lot of discussion topics for us, and some reading practice. So the lesson plans are also very good. So I recommend doing both. Do some free talk and conversation, but do some lesson plans also. And we will learn new vocabulary and how to use the new words with the lesson plans. So they're very nice.
They are very nice that any who is persons to speaking the topic which is whatever with this is the topic it's increment of the vocabulary.
Right, yes. Have you ever done any of the lesson plans before?
Yes, I don't know because I'm to not just mostly free conversations up to the small short conversations I have to do because the in here my classroom or lectures that I'm too busy but get a free lectures that I'm to absolutely to join in here.
Oh, great, great. Well, it's always nice to see you, and I hope to see you again.
Yes. And Captain Frank, I think you are the speaker is very good at English and vocab is also so I like to you and because your English power is also very for strongly and to speak very well.
Great. Well, thank you for the positive feedback, and I definitely hope to see you again. Are you in the classroom today? I think I heard a bell.
Yes. That
Great.
badging of
What time is your class?
my class is the now is the right now 12 but it's in the middle period it's I get free time.